Hello everybody, this is T. Rajashekar, lecturer in Botany, Srimati Ganganeni Kalyani Government Degree College, Vinikonda, Guntur district. In this video lecture, you are going to learn about herbarium. What is herbarium? What is the need of preparing herbarium? What are the tools required for preparing herbarium? All these details can be known by this video lecture. Actually, what is a herbarium? It is not possible for us all the time to go to the natural habitats of the plants to study the details of the plant, so that we need a permanent specimen with us, so that instantly we can refer it and we can get all the details as and when we like. For that purpose, we have to prepare a plant specimen. The difference between the live plant specimen and the herbarium is a dried, pressed and sticked plant specimen, which is actually collected from its natural places where it is growing. It is taken from the mother plant and it is properly dried, pressed and stick to a sheet, white sheet. The sheet is with all the details of the plant. The details are actually furnished in the right hand bottom part, that is called label. First of all, the practice of this herbarium preparation was started by Luca Ghini, an Italian scientist who actually started Pisa Botanical Garden in Italy in 1544. In his tenure, actually, in his lifetime, between 1490 to 1556, and he efforted and did a lot of work on this plant herbarium preparation. With the help of his disciples, he could able to extend this knowledge of plant preparation, herbarium preparation, to the entire world, to other parts of the world. The term herbarium was first used by Tournefort. At times, we had to collect the other plant pots like fruits and cones, like that. Similarly, certain plants are not possible, are not easily malleable for us to prepare their herbarium, like succulent plants. Generally, they belong to the families Asclepiadaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Liliaceae, etc. To preserve such plants, we have to go for alternative steps, alternative processes, like preparing live specimens of them with the help of chemicals like 2% formaldehyde or formalin acetic acid alcohol in 5:5:90 ratio, so that they can be preserved for many years in the same form. And to preserve the large fruits and hard seeds and other parts like secondary metabolites like gums of the plants and pollen grains, we should go for polythene covers and plastic vials and glass vials. Actually, what is the purpose of preparing herbarium? There are a number of uses are very useful in various aspects of plant identification, nomenclature, classification and other. Mainly, to know the entire plant wealth present in the world, we need herbarium. Actually, we'll get the details, overall details of the plants by their herbarium. And we also know the other details of the plants, like the plants which are growing around these plants and the soil nature, physiological and physical aspects of the plants, morphological aspects of the plant, all other details. To prepare the monograph of a family or of a genera, actually we need herbarium very much. And at times we face problems regarding the plant names, that is called plant nomenclature. To fix all those problems, we need herbarium. And similarly, for plant classification also we use these herbarium sheets. And for phenological studies, we collect plant specimens at various timings in various seasons, so that we can know the entire life details of the plant. we will also know, I mean, where the plants grow well, the plant species grows well, and when does that plant species blossom, when does the plant species give fruits, and ripening period of fruits. All that will study by this herbarium. Not only that, there are certain plant based fields like taxonomy, pharmacology, ecology, agriculture. Even to carry out research in those fields, we need plant specimens very well. So there are so many uses of these plant herbarium. That is why we have to prepare plant herbarium sheets. And when actually the process of this herbarium preparation was started, it was 400 years ago actually. The process of plant herbarium preparation was started. It was actually scientifically and more formally started by Linnaeus in Sweden. In our country, the credit of plant preparation must be given to uh, Roxburgh, you know. And then Home Green in 1981 published Index Herbarium, in which we can see the details of different 1600 plants. We can also see the herbaria of all these plant species. The Missouri Botanical Gardens, present in St. Louis of US, it publishes a newsletter for every month giving the details in the herbarium of various plant species present across the world. So far, it has given and prepared the herbaria of 250 millions of plant species. The number of plant herbarium repositories present across the world, of them, Royal Botanical Garden is well known. It is present in Kew in London City, and there are a number of other international renowned herbarium repositories like Museum of Natural History present in France, and Russia, Geneva, America, and other countries. In our country, Botanical Survey of India, popularly known as BSI, present in Calcutta, it is a well-known and very famous international herbarium repository. It also established a number of substations in different parts of our country in order to know all the details of all plants present across our country, like FRI Dehradun, Blatter Herbarium in Bombay, in Lucknow, Allahabad, Shillong, Coimbatore, Pune, Dehradun. They all have been working vigorously in order to maintain plant wealth and their information to promote the research and other educational activities of the botany. And actually, what we all need to prepare herbarium specimens, we must have the tools that are shown in this slide, like field presser, blotting papers, field notebook, vesiculum, hand and trowels, secateurs, scissors is long-handed. Here in this picture, you can see the herbarium presser. It is a wooden plank actually. Actually, it is with two planks, wooden planks, with the 4 screws at all the 4 corners. Soon after collection of the plant specimen, it is disinfected with chemicals and then it is dried, then it is pressed in order to keep it intact without any overlapping of the plant parts. And then blotting papers. Actually, the fresh plant may ooze out cell sap, which may give a chance for pest attack and fungal attack. In turn, it is spoils the plant specimen. To avoid all that, no, actually we have to drain off or blot off the plant sap. For the purpose, we need a bundle of blotting papers or even regular daily newspapers. Soon after drying the plant, after disinfection, the plant pot here, the plant is pressed in with the help of presser, and then now, in order to drain off the cell sap in it, we have to preserve the plant specimen between the flawed papers. But for every 2 days, we have to change the place of the plant so that after 1 week or 10 days, we'll get a completely dried plant specimen. Now it is free from all sort of fungal and pest attacks. Then what for we use vesiculum? in herbarium preparation. At times, no sort of collection of the plant pot, it may be very time taking to transfer the plant to the actual place where we prepare the herbarium specimen. So actually, it takes a lot of time between the collection and the preparation of herbarium, so that some of the plant details may be lost by various reasons. To avoid all that and we keep the plant pots and plant details intact, we need vesiculum. It's a flask-like structure uh, where a vacuum condition is being maintained. Then what for hand lens? There are certain plants which are with very very minute plant pots, like a small flowers, small pollen grains, all that. We cannot see them with our naked eyes because there is limitation for our eye vision. So that we need a hand lens, so that with the help of that we will get all the details, though it is very very minute and very small. And then trowel. In case of herbs, as they are very small in size, we had to dig out the entire plant from the soil with its root system. For that purpose, we need to travel with us. It may not be possible for us without any physical means. And secateurs, there are certain plant parts which are very hard and which are very tough for us to break them off from the mother plant. So that by using secateurs, no, we can cut the branch, we can cut the plant part so easily. And for the same purpose, we also need a scissors with long handle. Being away from the plant, we can cut the branches, other parts of the plants with the scissors with a long handle. So with all these tools, it is very easy for us to separate a plant pot and press it and prepare the herbarium of it. In this video lecture, we have learned actually what is a herbarium, the historical details of herbarium, different herbarium repositories present across the world and across the country, and the important uses of the herbarium preparation and the tools which are needed to prepare herbarium. I think you have understood the total concept very well. Soon we'll meet with another video lecture. Till then, bye. Have a nice time. Thank you.